At ELGi, innovation means transforming even the smallest processes to deliver significant improvements in productivity and reliability. On the Crimping Station, we introduce the Thermal Crimping Machine, redefining how connections are made. The impact? Stronger, faster, and more reliable crimping, setting a new benchmark in connection quality. The Thermal Crimping Machine reflects ELGi's focus on engineering durability and efficiency at every stage of manufacturing. At ELGi, innovation drives us forward through smart automation and advanced technologies.